Well, I'm just getting home from work and I want to answer a couple questions that you guys have been asking me. Oh, a little windy, pretty cold. I think it's about minus 21 today. Celsius, not Fahrenheit, for all you American viewers. A lot of you guys have asked me, am I taking it easy and not going out to the shop and this kind of stuff? And you know what, to be honest, I really want to be out in the shop. I love being in the garage, but I'm just working so much, and with the home rentals I'm doing, it is taking up a lot of my time, and it's just hard for me to come out to the shop. When I'm working 6 and 7 days a week, I'm not getting home till 5:30, some nights even 7 o'clock. And it's hard to come out and start a fire, get the shop warm, and do an hour and a half worth of work, and then worry all night about the fire being in the shop. But I want to let you guys know that as soon as I get a full day off, I'm going to come out here and I'm going to get that Ford Fusion built. I've started doing some more stuff to it. Some plans coming up. I got to pull the V6 out of that Lexus. I got to get this car into the shop and built, well, tuned up, get ready to run again, because there's a winter derby coming up in about 2 weeks. So I got to spend some time on this. Hopefully I can make it to it, that I take the day off work. I think I'm going to try to just do that. But don't worry, guys. I am still into the derby spirit. I'm still trying to do everything I can. But like, it's getting dark out here. The sun is down. I just got home from work, and this is how it's been pretty much every night this week. I did add another car to my collection on Sunday night after work. I ran up to Barrie and bought this 4-cylinder Toyota Camry. It's got really nice tires, it runs great. Guy said that he lost his license so he couldn't drive it. So as soon as I got it home, I ripped out all the seats. Well, it didn't come with a driver's seat or a passenger seat, but I ripped out all the back seats, did a quick smash and grab of all the parts I can throw out quickly, because I did a scrap run after work the other night. But we're still buying cars, we're still stocking up. We've got quite a bit of them here. I think we're up to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 3. If you include the half car, we're up to 24 Toyota Camrys here, and some of them are 2 doors, some of them are Lexuses, some of them are Soleras, but some of them are even Avalons. But we got quite a selection of Toyotas here, and we're going to keep building them for you guys. Now, I don't have a lot of time to make videos right now after work, but I'm going to try to do my best to get some videos up and edited. I've been getting a lot of questions about videos I've put up in the past, and stuff like how to hotwire a starter, the basics on how to do it, the basics on how to wire in your car with your fuel pump, how to build a fuel system, how to build a cage that goes into a car. Now, pretty much this is different for everybody, but I can show you guys how I do it. Is it the right way? Everybody's got their own right way, and honestly, if you do it differently than how I do it, that doesn't make me wrong, and that doesn't make you wrong. It just, everybody's got their own way of doing things. But I want to start going over some of the stuff I run. A lot of guys have been sending me pictures of toggle switches that are actually on Amazon. It is really cold out here. But I've bought those before, and I've tried them, and I find that the start button kind of breaks and then goes inside the actual system that they sell. I've noticed that there's quite a bit of companies selling some very good parts out there right now. Now, like Nearat's got this very, very nice switch panel with 2 start buttons, a couple toggle switches, and a voltmeter. I really want it. It's $125 or $175 American. By the time I get that to my door, that's going to be a $325 toggle switch panel. But I really want it, so I might save up a little bit of money for that. I'm going to do, I don't know how to word this, but there's a group of people in the UK, and they call themselves the Roughnecks. And those Roughnecks, they do banger racing. And I seen a post on Facebook earlier on this month, and they're looking for sponsors. And I started talking to them, and I decided to sponsor them 3 months worth of income from YouTube. And I've never done anything like this before. Now, I set some guidelines and I thought it was pretty cool. I said that I just want my name on their car. I'm going to send them free t-shirts, some free decals, or stickers, however you call them. I probably said decals wrong. But I'm going to send that stuff to them free of charge. I PayPal'd them $150 Canadian, and I really like this idea. I'm thinking every January I'm going to pick a team of people that I can, one team, but we'll talk about this next January. But what the deal was is they have to at least go to 5 demolition derbies. It doesn't have to be a team, or I just want it to be somebody that loves the sport. These guys out there, they represent the sport beautifully. The Roughnecks, what I've seen is they bring massive amounts of fans, massive amounts of family. They do it right from the age of 12 years old to, I think there's a guy in their group that's 70 years old that's doing it. They work together as a team, and I thought that'd be a great team to sponsor. So I sent them $250 cash, and we'll see how this works out. The deal is that they have to at least do 5 derbies or races, and I can get some footage to put up on my YouTube channel that will show my sponsorship of them. So far everything's going great with them, and maybe next year I can extend this to a different company or a different group of people or a different individual. Just give them 3 months worth of YouTube income. I love this sport so much, I like to give back to the sport. So the money I make off YouTube, why not donate it back to the sport? I've already done this. The last giveaway, I gave away a black flag roof sign, and it was actually supposed to be sponsored to me, but some stuff happened, and I actually had to buy the flag, the black flag roof sign, and I basically gave it away to the winner, and I was happy doing that. The YouTube money that I get, I put right back into the sport. So I'm really happy to announce that the Roughnecks, I gave them a sponsorship. So they'll be getting a whole bunch of shirts in the mail, stickers in the mail, everything like that as well. Now, I'll try to get a different group of people to sponsor for next year, but that's who I sponsored this year. And a different thing I want to try to maybe do for next week to make a video is questions and answers. I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys asking me what I do for a career, to why do I build a car like this, or what was my first demolition derby car, or as simple as what's your favorite color. So if you guys get any questions for me, derby related or personal stuff, if you guys got any questions for me, derby related or anything like that, feel free to ask me in the comments, and I'll read your comments on the next YouTube video in a week maybe, and upload them, and I'll answer all your questions. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'm happy to announce that Zacks Workshop is sponsoring the Roughnecks, and hopefully next year I can sponsor a different team. But you know what, they show a great sportsmanship, they are all for the sport, and I think they do a lot over in the UK, so I'm trying to see if I can help them out in any way I can. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you got any questions, just make sure that you comment down below, and we'll see what we can do next week. See you guys later.